You've just booted up Night City, ready to dive into some crumb-filled action, only to find your controller just isn't working. That gut punch feeling when your gamepad refuses to cooperate with Cyberpunk can instantly kill your vibe. Don't let a stubborn controller ruin your immersion. We're going to fix this so you can get back to being a legend in the making. All right, before we dive into anything too techy, let's cover the basics. Seriously, sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to jolt things back into life. Try unplugging your controller, restarting and then plugging it back in after your computer has fully booted up. Make sure your controller's battery isn't dead. And if you're using a wired connection, maybe even try a different US port or cable, just to rule out any physical hiccups. Okay, if the basic resets didn't do the trick, our next stop is Steam itself. Head into Big Picture Mode. It's that little controller icon in the top right corner of your Steam client. Once you're in, navigate to Settings, Controller Settings, and make sure your specific controller, tap like Xbox or PlayStation gamepad, is properly checked and recognized. You might even want to try disabling Steam input for Cyberpunk in its game properties, as sometimes Steam's own remapping can conflict with the game's native controller support. Sometimes the problem isn't with Steam or the game, but with your drivers or other software messing things up in the background. Make sure your controller drivers are up to date by checking your device manager or downloading the latest drivers directly from the manufacturer's website. Also, temporarily disable any other controller mapping software you might have running, like the Windows or Windows, as these can often create conflicts and prevent Cyberpunk from recognizing your gamepad properly. Finally, let's jump into the game settings itself. Fire up Cyberpunk and head straight to the Controls menu. Double-check that gamepad is selected as your preferred input device and experiment with any other related settings you find there. Crucially, if you excitedly hit a key on your keyboard while in-game, it can sometimes switch off controller input, so try unplugging your keyboard briefly or just making sure you don't touch it to see if your gamepad magically comes back to life.